Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part two of this. We're going to make a border like this. The one that somebody sent me has got some white line borders. A little bit different than the way I did it. What I'm going to do, I still got my nudge factor. I'm going to take my circles and I'm going to nudge them out of the way. I've already drawn my line. I'm going to take these lines and make them like, let's make them 75 points. Make them a little thicker. Let's make them 100 points. Then I am going to go to convert the outlines to objects. Then what we're going to, the reason for that is, well, let me just show you. So now they're not, okay, they're 100-point line. If I was to do this now with my Smart Fill tool, it would actually kind of cover up my line because it's going to the hairline of the line itself. So let's take these out of the way and let's convert these to an object. And then when we put these back, when we take the Smart Fill tool, we'll fill that in, and now we've got a line between them. As you can see, the Smart Fill just went up to that line. I'm just going to do a couple of pictures this time. We'll do the top two, and well, you know what, I need to really do them all so you can kind of see it. Won't take just a second. If you're bored, you can stop watching. And we're going to use these same pictures. This time, well, it's still easier to nudge things out of the way. I'm not going to pay too much particular reasoning for graphic and trying to get everything in there, but I'm going to go get the picture. I'll delete this one so I won't do it again. Get this one, make it quite a bit smaller. Get that, and just remember, do not move that Smart Fill because you want to get it right back where it was, as you can see. If you're bored with this, just please stop watching. Just don't, move your picture. Don't move your Smart Fill because that's going to mess it up when you try to place it back in there. You know what? Maybe I'll just do like half of them because you'll still be able to see the border. This one might have a little bit of edge to it. Yeah, see, I didn't get it all the way in there. I didn't get my picture big enough, so I'm gonna make the picture a little bigger, kind of center it. Still got a little bit of white spot there. I'm gonna do a couple more. See, you could do the Smart Fills one at a time. Let's get these purple flowers. This is a black giant swallowtail on some fall aster flower that only blooms in the fall, which is just started a couple weeks ago here in Central Texas. Well, what did I do wrong? Let's take that out of the way. And see, I moved that and I shouldn't have. Let's back up. I did something wrong. I did not, maybe I didn't get the entire picture. No, I got to back up more. Okay. Intersect. There we go. I'm going to do one more. So just bear with me. Let's do this swallowtail. That's good enough. Select it all, intersect it, and then you can move that over. So we've got them all done. Now you could take away your lines and see the border we're creating with the white. Now, if you had, it all done and you had, well, let's tell you what, let's put it on Well, the background really doesn't matter, but you know, the disc in the center, you'd want, if it's gonna be white, I'm gonna make it, you know, color so you can see it. And then if you made your outside white, tell you what, we'll do that. And that's what's giving you a place to put, I'm guessing they want to put a logo on it. But we could take this and take a rectangle and let's just make it, let's make it a blue, and then go to object, order, back a page, and now we have a blue outline. You could do it with white or whatever color you want. But that gave you a border. That's a pretty neat thing to do. I kind of like that. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.